This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: cruise control, heated side view mirrors, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, a first aid kit, and air conditioning. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Ancira Volkswagen is conveniently located at 6125 Bandera Road, just outside Loop 410. Come by and experience the Ancira Volkswagen difference today. When you think of Volkswagen, think Ancira Volkswagen.